So this is the second spruce we're going to look at, and this is Sitka Spruce, which is Picea sitchensis. And as the name might suggest, this isn't native. This comes from the northwest coast of the States up through to Alaska, an area called Sitka. And at first glance, it looks quite familiar. It's got that Christmas tree look to it. But as you look a bit harder, and certainly as soon as you touch it, you realise that it's different from the Norway spruce that we've seen before. Yes, it's got that same bottle brush arrangement of needles, but when you touch it, you realise those needles are pretty harsh. They have very sharp points on, so it's actually quite aggressive. And if you work in Sitka spruce, or if you're moving through Sitka spruce, it will scratch you. You'll end up with multiple scratches. So it's quite harsh stuff, quite tough stuff. The other physical characteristic, as soon as you look underneath, as soon as you turn up the branch sections, you get this blue colour, this sort of glaucous blue colour coming. And if you look at it in detail under a glass, it's not actually blue, it's green, but it has white stripes down it quite close together, and that gives the optical illusion of this blue colour. So Sitka spruce, if you see mature Sitka spruce moving about in the wind and being lifted by the wind, you'll see this blue colour coming in, and that's how you distinguish it, along with this very harsh spiky texture, from Norway spruce. Sitka spruce is really the backbone of the UK conifer industry. It works really well in upland conditions. It deals with extreme rainfall, in fact needs heavy rainfall to function. It's a coastal conifer, so it's used to being in sea fogs and mists, and it needs heavy rainfall, probably over about 1,000 or 1,200 millimetres per year to really function. So compared to Norway spruce, this is a larger scale production conifer, and if you look at UK timber distribution and tree species distribution, Sitka is the main species that gives us our commercial timber operations in the UK. Deals with heavy rainfall, deals with marginal soil conditions, and deals with exposure very, very well indeed. And a lot of the downstream investment that's been made in UK timber processing is on the back of this species, Sitka spruce.